Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. For today, I'm going to share to you things that I've done regarding email telemarketing using Flowdesk. So let me share my screen first. So we're gonna go to Flowdesk. I actually created an account in Flowdesk using my Google Mail. And then what I do is this one. So the title that I choose is Can a Freelancing Be a Full-Time Career? And then I added an image or like um, a G image like this one, like someone who is working outside an office. And then I search this keyword from a chat GPT, as you can see it here. And then I just copy and paste. Then of course I read it and analyze it if this is matched on the questions that I created. And then I added a text here wherein yes, they can be a freelancing, it can be a full-time career. Many people successfully make a living by freelancing nowadays. They are flexible, they are independent, and they offer a lot of services. So I love to put an image which is, having a self-satisfaction in herself. So I just came this photos from Pinterest. It's really great. And then once again, I put things that I've got from Chat GPT. They can get self-management, skills management. Then I also put a subscribe now button wherein they can receive an email from me once they subscribed. And then I also put another photo wherein it's showing them that they can be their own boss. And then after that, another image, and then another descriptions from being a freelancing as their own boss. And then I also put a little things here that sign up now and learn how to become a freelancing virtual assistants, and then learn more about our service here. So what I put a link here is my website, of course, my own website. And then here at subscribe now, I would love to you know uh, put a link here as well, because this is a button wherein they could um, have a chance um, to sign up. So what I'm going to do is to put my link here as well so that they may know how to contact me. And then I can also attach a file here. So what I'm going to do later on is to create a sign up link wherein they can sign up their email, their phone number, and then their questions for me. So that's it for me. And I also tried to test this one. So what I'm going to do is a catchy subject. So my catchy subject will be, can freelancing be a full-time career? So, and then I also wanted to put a, you know, an emoji that will added onto it. And then we're gonna test this one by sending it to one of my colleagues at gmail.com. And then another one is gmail.com. We'll add that and then send test now. So let's see if it works on our email by going on the email address that I want. So let's see. Well, this is actually the first one that I've sent, but the subject is just a test. So we'll just have to wait for the other one, which has a subject. So that's it for me. Thank you so much and hope this will works. Bye. Let's stop share.